Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Before I get started with the actual process, I am gonna talk about a couple things. So number one, this will remove all your data, and number two, it allows you to also get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, most of us have a Google account also signed in on the device, which will mean that after the reset is finished, if you are doing this to remove a screen lock, you will need to verify the Google account or the screen lock. But assuming you're resetting it because you don't know it, that only leaves you with the Google account. And if you can't verify either one of those, then you would be stuck on a setup screen, typically would be stuck on a setup screen. The reason I mentioned that is because there is a bypass to this. If you manage to not know either one of those, then you can check out a bypass to how you can first circumvent this this verification and then completely remove it. And this phone does use a emergency line as a method for this, so you just kind of have to dial 911 or 112, which typically I would be recording that, but I'm mentioning this because if you will be looking for this kind of bypass, at least on our channel, we do have one. Just like a general for Android that is using this, and it's going to be basically universal. I won't be recording one for this device as I don't really want to call the 911 or like 112 without emergency. I don't consider bypasses to be an emergency basically. So I just want to point that out, that if you're gonna watch it and you see a different device for that, don't worry, it works the same way. Now, with that being said, let's get started. Now, if you have a screen lock that you don't know, you can just turn off your device on a lock screen. So press power button, volume up, select power off. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And obviously for people that know their screen lock, you can do the same thing. Next, using volume buttons, you want to find recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and then press power button. Give it a second and we will see Android with no command written under it. Once you do, hold power button, and while holding power button, press volume up once, and this takes us to the recovery mode. Here, again using volume buttons, select wipe data, factory reset like it's selected right now, confirm it with a power button, select factory data reset, confirm that, saying formatting data, and next we should have data wipe complete. Come on. Taking a little bit longer. There we go. So once it's visible, you will also see that reboot system now is selected by default, so press power button to confirm that. This will initiate a reboot and continue the resetting of the device in the background. It will take it a bit longer to boot back up, don't worry, that's normal. Once it's finished doing whatever it's doing in the background, we'll be presented with the setup screen. So anyway, I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.